All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about curves. So let's go to this little menu here and adjust right from here. So you can click and drag an image to modify the curve. So we can modify the curve right from here. And then you can see kind of what it does when you do that. Okay, so I'm going to move it up like that. This will draw to modify the curve, so we can modify the curve and go that way and up. Okay, and what's this? Calculate a more accurate histogram. There you go. I'm going to click on auto because we kind of let this go awry, but you can turn it on and off with the eye here. You can edit each color if you want. So obviously red and green aren't showing up here. They're being used, but it's not, you can't really see it because it's blatantly blue here. So blue is the most used color in this instance. So I can go kind of wild here and adjust this. I'm going to hit auto to send it back to where it was. And we'll go to RGB and hit auto, and there you go. So that's how you work with curves. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.